Hello and welcome back to Crypto Mac. This is your early morning technical analysis. Now we are going to jump straight into the chart. But first, if you guys need a good exchange to trade your futures or to spot trade your crypto, you can check out a link in my description to Bitunix. When you sign up, you also get a 10% sign up bonus when trading futures. Specifically on your first trade. Now it takes 3 to 7 business days for it to go into your account once you make your trade, and then you will get free money. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the link in my description to Bitunix. You get a 10% sign up bonus. So I got the daily chart pulled up right now just to show you guys that we are still in this falling wedge pattern, very bullish pattern. As you guys can see right here, we got a nice bounce off of support. We are now pumping. We have broke past $2, have been staying above it for some time. That confirms that we are in an uptrend and that we are on the verge of a good breakout here. Now, let's zoom into the 4-hour. Now, as you guys can see, we are hitting 215. It is a strong resistance. Let me do the 1-hour real quick. If you can see, every time we go to get above it, we get rejected. We come back down every time. We got a nice boost, but hit our resistance line on our falling wedge, which would have gave us a massive boost. However, if you look down here, we were already overbought on the RSI. We did not have enough volume. The bears took control. We got a breakdown. 215 did not prove as good support. And now every time we go to hit it, we are getting rejected. Now we finally got a little bit over 215. Now we need to stay above this at least till the rest of the day. If we could close probably a daily candle over this, that would be awesome. That would show that we still have signs of strength and that XRP has room to blow up. Now, another thing I wanted to show you guys is this. Now, there's a lot of these playing out right now, which is very bullish. I like to see inverted head and shoulders as much as possible. Now, as you guys can see, if this plays out, we could get a nice boost all the way through all of this stuff. Let's see, up to about $2 and actually our next resistance at 268, maybe 270. So that's that would be a price target if this broke, and really if we break out of this falling wedge right here, that's an even bigger catalyst. Not only will we go that high, this one would more or less take us pretty high if we broke out right here. $3.50. That's on the daily. If you could pull up the weekly, however, see guys, this is how it keeps getting better and better every time you zoom out. Now, if this one breaks, this is the one everyone's been talking about on the monthly. Now, if this one breaks, yeah, we're looking at almost $5, fellas. If this on the weekly chart, if this falling wedge breaks, which it looks like it's about to do right now, we are right on resistance and testing it to break through once again. So either way you look at it, guys, every pattern I am seeing is bullish. Every single one of them. And of course, the head and shoulders everyone was talking about did not play out. We should have been all the way down here. Held back in the middle of March. And now we're almost in the middle of April. It seems we're just in a falling wedge. and it is about to bust. When it does, we are getting at least a 20 to 50% upside. You can guarantee that. And also, I wanted to pull up the weekly on Bitcoin, as this inverse head and shoulders, or more or less at this point, this inverse or this cup and handle pattern right here has done broken out, and has come down to retest, and has come back down to retest. And as you guys can see, we have already come down and we have retested this neckline, which was resistance, has turned support. We bounced off of it and we bounced off of it again. That is a double bottom confirmation. So that is a big deal. What I'm actually expecting now is for Bitcoin to go ahead and come up to 88,000, 89,000 and retest this resistance right here and try to break through. So that's what seems like is going on with Bitcoin. And we've been over XRP. We are still waiting on this falling wedge right here to break. When it breaks, we are going to get a nice upside to about $5 for XRP. Now, if you guys stay with me to the end, thank you very much. That's your technical analysis for this Monday morning, April 14th. I hope you guys have an awesome day. You can check out my latest stuff on the left, subscribe on the right. Until the next video, guys, take care of yourself and each other.